Welcome to Mahogany Beach. We're going today for a tour today in Honduras. So we're going for a tour today to a private beach here in Honduras, in Roatan. I have no idea, it's a little bit windy right now, so let's check this out. Welcome to Roatan. Located in Honduras, this Caribbean paradise is waiting to be explored. Luis here, and today I'm taking you to Turquoise Bay, a private beach where the beauty of nature meets luxury. While Monika sails towards North America on the Sapphire Princess, I am here on the Ruby Princess, ready to explore Roatan with my friends Faith and Roberto. So let's do this! Already waiting here. Hopefully you can hear me, as the music is quite loud. As soon as we stepped off the ship, we were greeted by the vibrant culture of Roatan. The local dancers, influenced by the rhythm of the Caribbean, inviting us to join the celebration. I'm next. So this is the best view here in Roatan, Honduras.
Eduardo. You can put all of that up. You won't be needing it out here. The only thing you're going to need is your wristband. Once you got on your wristband,
Here we are,
the winner that is
Turquoise
making
Bay.
us out there right now, you're ready.
So this is Turquoise Bay. This is where we're gonna have our tour.
All right.
So far it looks amazing. So there is an area here for the kids. And I can see some huts over there. I'm not sure how those are rented. I'll find out. But as far as I know, with our tour is included one of the chairs and the umbrellas. So I'm looking forward to it. So we have a welcome drink.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Cheers. Let's see if it has alcohol.
Can you hear me?
Yep. It has alcohol.
Welcome to Riverside.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Welcome to the island.
Thank you.
Enjoy it. Welcome to the VIP. Hello.
So this is the VIP. I take it. So they had these bungalows over there. I believe you had to pay extra for those bungalows. Well, you can see the water is very clean, guys, and it's very calm and relaxed. That's a great spot for a picture. Yeah, water is very clean. Like really clean. What I like is the place is not as crowded as I was expecting. It's very quiet, so I like the vibe. It's really quiet, very calm. So they have the showers over there, bathroom. There is a bar VIP right here, and they had the smoking area. And this is our group. So this is our table right here. Yeah, water is too cold for me. I need to wait for the sun to go and take a photo there. So I got my pina colada right here. We're just gonna chill at the moment. This is my friend Faith.
Hi.
So Faith and I, we work together, and we came here to enjoy. This is my friend Roberto from Peru.
How you doing? Please subscribe.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, I forgot to mention Faith is from Zimbabwe.
Hello.
Yes. So if you take a cruise and decide to come to Roatán, if you want to take this tour, is $150. And as far as I know, you have all the drinks included, all the food included. You come and hang around the beach. You have your chair, you have the umbrella, and clearly you have music live. So yeah, looks nice. Sun is very soft, and water is very refreshing. Good thing is the day is not that hot yet, not yet, but probably later on it's gonna get a little bit warm. So let's check this out. So I was standing up there, and the bartender called me and said, "My friend, I have something for you." So I said, "What's going on?" So here suddenly he pulls this. Now, it says here there is aguardiente, which is a kind of liquor. However, what is inside is not that. He was explaining that it's a liquor made out of roots only. You can see the color, and when you try it, yeah, it tastes like pure roots combined. I said, "So this gonna get me drunk?" And he said, "No, this will react like it gives me energy, and it's like if it was liquid Viagra."
Thank you.
Which, to be honest, I don't need it because Monika is not here. So probably they're mocking me. So I don't know. Let's see.
But you keep drinking it.
Wow, it's quite bitter. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need that. I guess I'm just gonna get some water and piña colada and enjoy my day. I don't want any other chemical reaction in my body. I don't need it. So while you're here, you have a buffet right there at the very end, where you can get chicken wings or nachos, and then you have lunch included as well, which apparently has lobster. So I'm going to be true. I'll show you later when they bring the lunch. And they have there the beers too. It is nice. I like the vibe. It's very chill, very quiet, relaxed, and even the music is nice. So they also have the bungalows there, and if I'm not mistaken, for that one you have to pay $250. Which, well, if you are on a cruise, if you have with different people there, I think it's worth it. But if it's only one or two, you guys stay here in the beach, because there I don't think you can swim as good as in here. Although this is very shallow, so the water is not that deep. So this is our ceviche. What do you have right there? We have the chicken.
There was some chicken skewers.
Yes. And this is our view. Can't go wrong with this.
Yeah.
So this is my surf and turf. Stay with the lobster. And look at these guys. They're like I'm in Costa Rica eating gallo pinto. Love it. So we're about to go back to the ship now. If you come on board, you can book this excursion to Turquoise Bay in Roatán. It includes the drinks, you have the chair, they give you an umbrella, it has the food included. Also they have a buffet where we have delicious chicken wings. And also they give you the lobster, so it's okay. You can spend here about 3, almost 4 hours in the beach. It's nice. It's quiet. The beach is really, really nice, as you saw. So totally recommend it, guys. If you're in Roatán, make sure you can book that excursion and have a great time here. So this is it for today for us. We need to go back to the fun factory and work. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you want to see more of our travels, please like, subscribe, and share our video with your friends. Stay connected with Monika and Luis. This is it for today, and ciao for now.